Hi, it's Steve here from SMC County Garage, and today I'm going to show you around a top of the range SEAT Arona Xperience Luxe finished in deep black. Now this car, believe it or not, has only covered just over 500 miles. So as you'd expect, looking at those beautiful alloy wheels, the car looks like new. Being a top of the range model, this vehicle has pretty much everything. Heated front seats, which are finished in a lovely micro suede with leather outsides. You also have a touchscreen media system which incorporates satellite navigation, dual zone climate control, a wireless phone charger, even push button start as well. Now, as this vehicle is so new, just over 6 months old, and with only having covered literally a few hundred miles, you would expect the condition to be the same as one that's just come out of the showroom. And you'd be right. This vehicle is unmarked and shares so many, even has the new car smell to it, so it really hasn't been anywhere at all. Now, being the Xperience Luxe, you benefit from having parking sensors all the way around, as well as a reversing camera. So it's the only model in the Arona range that comes with a reversing camera. A lovely big level boot, or if you want to, you have what's called a false floor, which we can drop down, which then makes the boot a little bigger and gives it a natural stop if you're carrying things that you don't want to rattle around in the back. Now, all of the Aronas have two ISOFIX fixings, so if you are carrying smaller people in the car, they can be safely clipped in, as well as moving up towards the driver's seat. Electric windows, mirrors, they power fold in. You also have the squared off steering wheel, which SEAT has become synonymous with nowadays. And if I just move inside, you'll see you've got your 6-speed manual gearbox, and on the left hand side you've got your cruise control and indicators and a digital dashboard. So this allows you to change the view of the dashboard depending on what your journey's requirements. To cap it all off and finish the car off, you've got full LED headlights. So these are insanely bright, super bright with the conditions we're driving in at the moment, and really do make driving in the evening slightly more pleasant. I hope you like the video. If you have any questions or queries, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.